back, Lake Wiley. We're just now passing under the Buster Boyd Bridge, headed to the south end of the lake. We've got some chicken soaked in strawberry jello again. We're also hopefully going to try to catch some white perch, and we're going to do another perch versus chicken challenge. All right, let's go. Multiple. Look at this. All right. Catching some perch, 3 at a time.
That's awesome. Found the spot. Woo!
All right.
Yay!
3 more. Has chosen chicken. I'm taking perch, so she's going to reel in all the chicken fish. I'm going to reel in all the perch fish. Well, reel your fish in.
I'm gonna just try to reel it in. It's small though. I'm just gonna try to reel it in.
He's all hung up too. What's he hung up in? Maybe he's hung up another line.
Yeah.
What the hell's he all wrapped up in? Trying to get you unwrapped here, buddy. Might help us out too. Holy mackerel. Alright, there's that one. There he is. The blue. Throw him back. Alright, Michelle's got.
Okay, this one's a better one, I think, unless it's just fighting.
Working. It's been kind of a slow day out here, fishing wise, but it's been like fishing on the interstate in terms of the boat traffic. The boats are everywhere, like 4th of July. How's it feel?
There he is on the top. Yeah. Oh, it's through his eye.
It'll be alright. Just got him in the back of the eye. Alright. Little blue, pretty fish.
What are you gonna call him?
But not what we're looking for. A little small. We're gonna call him Trevor. Later, Trevor. Reeling up. Michelle got another one.
On chicken. 3 on chicken now. But I think this one's probably another, might be another smaller one.
Yeah, about the same. Turn around here, boy. Made it easy to reel that one in. Another one, about the same, 3 or 4 pounds.
What are you gonna call this one?
Let's call him Sandy.
First girl.
Hi, Sandy.
Woo! So that's 0 on perch, 3 on chicken, and 1 that came off the hook. So that would have been 4. But 0 to 3 right now. So really, I'm the only one that's been reeling all day. We haven't had any